For the last capstone, we looked at different theories on climate change mitigation and future projections through 2100. For this capstone, I wanted to focus on the town of Anchorage, Alaska. I feel like Anchorage is one of the most short-term endangered states in America. The threat is short-term global warming taking place in the upper part of the hemisphere and the long-term response time of ecosystem to climate change mitigation. Alaska is the fastest warming state in the last 50 years at over 4 degrees Fahrenheit. This is double the warming as the rest of the world and over a degree more than the southwestern cities such as Phoenix. Along with this overheating, this is going to cause rapid ice melting, which will cause sea level to rise the quickest towards the ice caps, which is where Anchorage is. Anchorage is vulnerable because it is one of America's most populated northern cities and a travel destination where people visiting Alaska first stop. We could see sea level rise by nearly 60 centimeters by the year 2100 if we cannot get the climate change and temperature change towards the lower projections with proper mitigation. This would put much of the city underwater or cause massive amounts of infrastructure change to protect this community. Even if we act immediately, much of these effects will not take place for 2 decades, and they will still see some sea level rise due to the ice cap melting that will need to be dealt with. Anchorage will continue to be part of America's fastest warming city till the middle of the decade at least. The simplest solution is adhering to the mitigation factors talked about in both documents to slow climate change as soon and abruptly as possible. This is going to take us hitting the 1.5 to 2 degrees Celsius mark of increase in temperature by 2100 and no more. This is the max we can allow, and beating this target will help areas in the north of the northern hemisphere considerably. This will significantly contribute to mitigating sea level rise as well.